In this video, I'm going to show you how we can create Instagram bio generator web app using the DeepSeek AI. So this is the totally working web app we are going to create. So I'm going to show you how you can do this step by step. So here we go. So first of all, open the chat.deepseek.com and we just need to write a simple prompt here. And that prompt is build a fully responsive web application that allows user to generate a unique and stylish Instagram bios. The designs would be clean, modern and optimized for both desktop and mobile device. Use the free Gemini API to generate the bio content dynamically. Use HTML, CSS, JS for this. We're going to use here the Gemini API also. Okay, so now let's enter this and wait some seconds. And that will give us some code. Okay, and as you can see here, it's giving us some code like index file. Finally, the code is generated. As you can see, we have some files like index.html file, we have CSS file, and we have one JS file. Okay, now open the VS Code or any code editor, and here just click on the open and go to the anywhere like in the desktop and create one folder. So suppose Insta Bio app. Okay, and click on create and open that folder. Now click on the new file and just type your index.html and enter and just create file. Done. Now we just need to go to the DeepSeek here and just copy that code. Now paste it here and just save it. Now click on Command N or Control N and create new file. Go to the DeepSeek again and copy the CSS file here like this, and the file name should be styles.css. So paste it and just save that file and just type here styles.css, and again use the Command N and go to DeepSeek and copy the JS file code here and just paste that code, and here just save that file as like script.js. Let me just check. Let me just confirm. Script.js. Yes, right. Now here you can see the API URL. We just need to paste the Gemini UI, but there's one more thing that every time the AI will give you the pro version. Okay, so we need to use here the free version. So how we can do this? So first get an API key. So how we can get it? So open the aistudio.google.com and then in the top you can see the get API key. Click on this and you have the API key. Okay, so just click on that API key and just copy that, go here and just paste your key here like this. Now make sure, go again here, and as you can see the models Gemini 2.0 Flash. Copy till here, okay, make sure copy till, and then go to the code, and after this model you can see the Gemini Pro, just replace this with that Flash model. That's it. Just save that file and now go to your desktop, and we have one tool instabio.app web app like this, and we have some files. You can see index.html script style. Open the index.html, and this is the fantastic tool we have. Let me just try with travel blogger. Okay, so for a travel blogger I wanna create, okay, the select tone should be the casual, emojis like lot of emojis, and just click on generate bios. Wait some seconds, and amazing, that's really fantastic, right? This is the web tool. You just need to publish that web tool and use the AdSense or ads, and you can earn money with this. So this is now the easiest way to create your own Insta bio generator web app with the help of AI. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any doubt, you can ask me in comment. Have a nice day. Be safe. Bye-bye.